iterate also will be the same. You can also apply to iterate some of the sets. So these are the very interesting, I can say, some of the sets we are going to be used in terms of the NLP context. This is going to be very workshop. Dictionary, we already know about something called as a dictionary with the key and value pair. This is very advantageous. So major advantage of the dictionary is you have a key and the value pairs. Whenever you apply some of the hashing tables, okay, so you want to apply some of the hash tables with respect to change some of the value according to the key. So K1, V1 you can take. So we want to update any kind of the value. Okay, so just call the key and it will update some of the values. If you want to delete this value, you can call this K1. It will stay the same and it's going to be update or remove. That's how this is going to be works out by using the hash functions or hash tables. So key values, key value pairs. This is a basic syntax of the dictionary. Any dictionary you're going to be specified according to the key and also the value pair. So we are just declaring as a name and a some name with respect to that age, and you can also specify it according to that. You can also customize by using any kind of operations you need. Yeah, so just accessing how does this I as I just said, right, by using the hash functions is going to help us. This is where just calling as a key, right? So this is my dictionary name. I'm just passing to define the dictionary and giving some name according to the key value what we had. If I pass this key, it will throw this key or it will throw this ABC value. Similarly, age, according to that, you can also play around with this. And the keys, so number of the keys you want to be displayed, you can directly pass the keys, and number of the values you want to be displayed, you directly pass the values. You want to update anything, you can directly use the key value pair. Okay, so then you can update whatever the updation value you want to be specified according to, you can showcase as a key value pair. Yeah, you can see, you can also add the new key whenever you have an existing dictionary. You can add with regarding the new key and also the value. So what is the headache to learn these dictionaries? This is very interesting concepts. Whenever you encounter to remove some of the stop words, you can say some of the lemmatization mechanisms or stemming mechanisms with respect to corresponding frequency of the words. Their dictionary is going to be very helpful. Similarly, the dictionary keys, you can pass, but this may not be acceptable, I can say, when compared to the keys. Key consists of some of the identification to fix that. Yeah, so yeah, if you go down, yeah, you will be encounters. So something called as a list is immutable, and we already know that tuple is immutable, so we cannot change some of the hash functions as a list. So we cannot store it as a key in terms of a list. It may not be that much of integrated to identify with this is a key value pair. And you can also pause, yeah, but it may not be allowed with corresponding to the sets also. Yeah, so tuple, I can say tuple is mutable, but it will be allowed some of the times. Some of the cases it may not be allowed, I can say. But in the NLP context, we cannot use tuple for this key valued pair. We only use for the alphabets to identify some of the words, right? Okay. Yeah, so you can also compare by using the compare operator. You can also use compare operator. You can also directly specify the keyword called comparator. That is also works out well. And iterator, you can also pass by using the for loop. And sort is also going to be helpful with corresponding the dictionary what we had. If you want to be sort some of the values, then you can sort by using that. Sorted is a keyword, right? Yeah, then